Hello, I'm Rodney. This is my story of Robot City. One day, I invented Wonderbot to assist his dishwasher father Irv. When Irv's supervisor confronts them, Wonderbot malfunctions and wreaks havoc in the kitchen, leaving Irv in debt. I was an aspiring young inventor who idolizes Bigwell, a famous inventor, entrepreneur, and philanthropist whose company provides robots with spare parts. Following Bigwell's example to see a need, fill a need. In Robot City Station, I met with Robot's friends, Fender, who was taking pictures of me and his own using camera flash. In Crosstown Express, I and my other robot Fender were going for a ride. We felt like entertaining while flying and rolling. The ride, which looked like a mechanical machine that goes like a perfect shot. Then we have arrived at the Bigwell Industries. The red guy was thrown off by the mechanical arm, except me. His quote says, "You can shine no matter what you're made of." The guy named Tim, who was making a joke to not letting me in as the door is suddenly shut. He kept on laughing at me. Then I was ejected from Bigwell Industries by the company's current head Phineas T. Ratchet, whom in Bigwell's absence has stopped producing spare parts in favor of expensive upgrades. Later I met with my another friend Cappy, as our girlfriend, to take a look at the domino show. Think about dominoes falling in a line, either by knocking down or blow air. We brought Bigwell back by entire domino collapses. During battle in the chop shop, I, Cappy, and the Rusty's battle Gasket and her army of super sweepers alongside an army of outmodes that I had repaired earlier. Then Gasket was killed by a fire in the furnace. Later, Bigwell holds a public ceremony in Rivet Town, where he nominates Rodney as his new second-in-command and eventual successor. That was my story about Robot City. Like, comment, and subscribe now.